I am an activist. I believe that with the right skills and the right tools, each of us has the power to change the world in our own way. Whatever the cause you're fighting for, you have to get your message out. You have to strive to make your voice heard. Imagine if you had no voice. No matter what you had to say, no one would hear you. Imagine if you were invisible. No matter what you showed the world, no one would be able to see you. Imagine if your ideas never saw the light of day, unaware of others and unable to reach out and create real and lasting change. You need exposure, a voice, the presence, the technology, and the know-how to express the message in business, in marketing, and content creation. The messages that we create connect us across organizations, across networks, across borders, and across cultures. They can drive awareness for brands, create recognition for your company. With the right tools for digital transformation, you can share your ideas across platforms and develop meaningful messages that resonate and engage your audience. If you combine creative skills with a strategic mindset, you can drive content through the right channel that will deliver the right message to the right audience. That's incredibly powerful. I will bring out my creativity and make my voice matter.